Mobile Developer Interview Practice Questions, Set 10. Question 1. Which Android API is used for handling push notifications? A. Firebase Cloud Messaging. B. Google Cloud Messaging. C. Push Notification Manager. D. Notification Compat. The correct answer is A. Firebase Cloud Messaging. Firebase Cloud Messaging is used to send push notifications in Android apps. Question 2. Which method is used to start a new activity in Android? A. Start activity. B. onCreate. C. Launch activity. D. Start intent. The correct answer is A. Start activity. Start activity is used to launch a new activity in Android. Question 3. What is the role of Dart in Flutter? A. Programming language used for app development. B. App lifecycle management. C. Widget rendering. D. Database handling. The correct answer is A. Programming language used for app development. Dart is the programming language used to build Flutter apps, optimized for UI. Question 4. Which iOS framework is used for working with databases? A. Core Data. B. Core Location. C. Core Graphics. D. MapKit. The correct answer is A. Core Data. Core Data is used for managing and persisting data in iOS applications. Question 5. What does NPM stand for in mobile development? A. Node Package Manager. B. Native Package Manager. C. Network Package Manager. D. New Project Manager. The correct answer is A. Node Package Manager. NPM is a package manager for JavaScript and is used to manage dependencies in projects. Question 6. Which method is used to load data in an iOS UI table view? A. Cell for row at index path. B. Load data. C. Did select row at. D. Number of rows in section. The correct answer is A. Cell for row at index path. Cell for row at index path is used to configure and load data into each row of a UI table view. Question 7. What is Kotlin used for in Android? A. Programming language for Android development. B. Database management. C. UI layout creation. D. Push notifications. The correct answer is A. Programming language for Android development. Kotlin is the official programming language for Android app development, alongside Java. Question 8. What is the purpose of Asset Bundle in Flutter? A. Package assets like images or fonts. B. Manage network requests. C. Control app state. D. Handle background tasks. The correct answer is A. Package assets like images or fonts. Asset Bundle in Flutter is used to package assets such as images, fonts, and files into the app. Question 9. Which iOS class is used to present a modal view? A. UI View Controller. B. UI Navigation Controller. C. UI Alert Controller. D. UI Activity View Controller. The correct answer is A. UI View Controller. UI View Controller is responsible for presenting and managing views, including modals in iOS. Question 10. What is Flutter DevTools used for? A. Debugging and profiling Flutter apps. B. Managing dependencies. C. Building iOS and Android apps. D. Handling network requests. The correct answer is A. Debugging and profiling Flutter apps. Flutter DevTools provides tools for debugging, performance profiling, and inspecting Flutter apps. Question 11. What does context represent in Flutter? A reference to the location of a widget. B, the app's current theme. C, the app's state. D, the widget's event listener. The correct answer is A reference to the location of a widget. Context in Flutter provides access to the location of a widget in the widget tree. Question 12. Which iOS method is used to request permission to access the camera? A. Request camera access. B. AV capture device. Request access. C. Request when in use authorization. D. Request location authorization. The correct answer is A. AV capture device. Request access. AV capture device. Request access is used to request permission to access the camera in iOS. Question 13. What is the main purpose of ProGuard in Android? A. Obfuscates code and reduces APK size. B. Handles push notifications. C. Manage app lifecycle. D. Optimize network calls. The correct answer is A. Obfuscates code and reduces APK size. ProGuard is used to obfuscate code and reduce the size of APK files. Question 14. Which iOS tool is used for interface design? A. Xcode Interface Builder. B. Storyboard. C. SwiftUI. D. UIKit. The correct answer is A. Xcode Interface Builder. Xcode Interface Builder is used to design the UI visually for iOS apps. Question 15. What is Expo used for in React Native? A. Framework for building React Native apps. B. Build mobile apps with native code. C. UI component library for React. D. Manage network requests. The correct answer is A. Framework for building React Native apps. Expo is a framework and platform for building React Native apps without native code. Question 16. What is the purpose of SwiftUI? A. Declarative framework for building iOS user interfaces. B. Data persistence library. C. Networking framework. D. Push notification system. The correct answer is A. Declarative framework for building iOS user interfaces. SwiftUI is used to build declarative UIs for iOS applications. Question 17. Which method is used to handle user input in Flutter? A. OnPressed. B. Handle input. C. OnChange. D. SetState. The correct answer is A. OnPressed. OnPressed is used to handle button taps and other input in Flutter. Question 18. What is fragment used for in Android? A. Modular UI component in an activity. B. Networking tasks. C. Push notifications. D. UI layout. The correct answer is A. Modular UI component in an activity. Fragments allow UI components to be modular and reused in multiple activities. Question 19. What is Alamofire used for in iOS? A. Networking library. B. Image loading. C. UI component library. D. Database management. The correct answer is A. Networking library. Alamofire is a popular networking library for handling HTTP requests in iOS apps. Question 20. What does the await keyword do in Dart? A. Pauses function execution until a future is complete. B. Executes synchronous code. C. Creates a new thread. D. Handles user input asynchronously. The correct answer is A. Pauses function execution until a future is complete. The await keyword pauses function execution until the asynchronous operation is complete in Dart.